Okay, so good evening, YouTube. So I built one of these motorized bicycles before, but I thought I'd make a video on, everything that you need so that the build goes a little bit smoother. So when you order your kit, this is what the kits come like. All I did was cut the tape off the box. Haven't opened anything yet. You have your heavy-duty stud set, and a special shout out to the guys over at Bikeberry for sending me these J&M vibration motor mounts. And then I also ordered a spare 415 chain from Flying Horse. All this stuff came in these little Amazon packages and whatnot. I also ordered this heavy-duty universal mounting bracket because the bike that I'm building this on is a large beach cruiser style. And then the tools that I'm going to be using to put this all together, this is just a simple socket set from Walmart, but it's gonna get the job done for sure. And then I also have my other tool set that I used from the last time. So let's get to the main dealio here. I've been waiting on this beast for about a week, and so yeah, got your instruction manual. I don't know how helpful this is going to be, but we'll see. Now, take styrofoam out. What do we got here? We got our two-stroke motor, gas tank. All of the hardware comes in this little box here on the side. The sprocket comes in the bottom. This is your 44 tooth chrome drive sprocket, which I'm only going to have that on for temporary. I'm not going to have that on forever. Eventually I'm going to upgrade to the BBR 36 or 32 drive hub sprocket. So we got our clutch cable and throttle cable here. Got your idler pulley, clutch handle, and your throttle kill switch. Some various hardware. Looks like we got spark plug tool, the gas cap, fuel line, fuel filter, springs for the clutch assembly, and the mounting brackets for the gas tank. Now in here we got all of the hardware to mount the sprocket. We have our got our clamps, we got just various nuts and bolts, the rubber grommets and stuff like that. The U-mounts are also in there. This is our exhaust clamp. Clamps the exhaust to your bike frame to prevent it from vibrating off. And then we got this. This is the chain that comes with this kit. And if you notice, you got the kit chain and the one that I ordered from Flying Horse. So this is a 415 and this is a 4. But what I can tell you from feel is that this one seems to be a little bit heavier than the one from Flying Horse, but I could be mistaken. However, the one from Flying Horse does look a lot better. So, I don't know. We'll see about that. We'll see when I get to putting it on there which one is better. Okay, moving on. We have our CDI, which is basically what provides spark to the motor, along with the spark plug. And then we have our cheap Chinese-made carburetor. Let's take that out of the package. And we know it's made in China because, if the camera will ever focus, there we go. Got the Chinese markings right there. We've got our chain guard, throttle, and throttle grips, the grips as well as the throttle. And last but not least, we have our muffler. And I chose to go with all black because the beach cruiser that I'm putting this on is the Nel Lusso, which is all black with a little bit of red. So, but anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to keep you guys posted on this entire build. Stay tuned for the next vid. Peace.